Islam has the solution for injustice. Allah says in Surah Nisa chapter 4 verse 135 that, Ya alladhina amanu, oh you believe, stand out for justice as witness to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, even if it be against yourself, against your parents, against your relatives, whether rich or poor. When you're doing justice, don't look at him whether he's your friend, he's your mother or a father, or your relative, or rich or poor. As the beloved Prophet Muhammad said, by Allah, if my daughter Fatima robs, I will chop off her hand. This is justice. Justice. Islam has the solution for alcoholism and drug addiction. Allah says in Surah Ma'idah chapter 5 verse number 90, Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu, innamal khamru wal maisuru. Oh, you believe, most certainly intoxicants and gambling. Wal ansabu wal azlamu, dedication of stones, divination of arrows, rijsum min amali shaitan. These are Satan's handiwork. Fashtanibu la'allakum tuflihun. Abstain from this handiwork that you may prosper. In Islam, alcoholism, drug addiction, it is prohibited. Every year, according to WHO, more than 4 million people die only because of alcoholism. You know, America, a few decades earlier, they tried to ban alcohol, knowing it's very bad for health. When they tried, the government collapsed. There was bootlegging, there was illegal alcohol, and the government collapsed. They again got back alcohol. 1400 years ago, just because the Prophet recited the verse of the Quran, barrels of alcohol were emptied in Medina, never to be filled again. What America with all its power could not do for many years, a Prophet did with just one verse. One verse of the Quran he recited, and the barrels of alcohol were emptied in Medina, never to be filled again. Quran has the solution to the problem of fornication, of adultery, of prostitution. Allah says in the Quran in Surah Isra chapter 17 verse 32, come not close to adultery, for it's an evil opening other roads to evil. Come not close to adultery. Don't do adultery. Come not close to adultery, because it's an evil opening other roads to evil. Quran has the solution to the problem of pornography, of immodesty, of obscenity,